want to bring in our chief Washington correspondent, Jonathan Karl, because, Jonathan, Justice Kavanaugh also asked about next steps. And Sauer said that the district court should need to now determine what parts of this indictment should be considered official acts and which parts are related to private acts. So how would that impact the timing of this case if that were to happen, given we're already over a month past the original trial date and less than 7 months to the election?
Well, look, the Trump strategy since the beginning of this entire process of all of legal cases against him has been delay, 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 and that would undoubtedly significantly delay this case if the lower courts had to go in and determine this before a trial could go forward. It seems to me that you're getting to the point where it is impossible, based on the calendar, to have a trial of Donald Trump on the January 6th case before the election. And of course, Trump has made it quite clear that if he were to win that election, there is no way that this case goes forward. He would fire the special counsel. He would instruct his Justice Department to drop it. So really what we're looking at is if you have a process that is now set up that sends this once again back to the lower courts before a trial can commence, you have a situation where Donald Trump may well never be held to account in a criminal context for what happened on January 6th. But I'm not sure that's where this is going. I thought that one of the very interesting things that happened during the first part of this hearing was Amy Coney Barrett establishing that there are a whole series of allegations in the special counsel's indictment that are even Trump's attorneys acknowledging private acts and therefore not immune from prosecution. So, you could have a situation where the case is able to go forward, and in the process of laying out the case, there would be a question of what's private and what's public. But look, if the Supreme Court does not act quickly on this and resolve it in such a way that allows the case to go forward, the trial itself to go forward, I do not think you will see this case happen before the presidential election, and perhaps never.